So what do? They print the manual offline and it's not even a bound book? That's a joke.
What's in the box?
A tank.
A tank?
A tank.
We're gonna bring up some rock and see if we can try to level it with some rock so we can finish putting it together. The funny thing is that I got off work early today and this was Stuart. So hurry up and get dressed, and so you can go out on the tractor, so you can go and you can get a load of rock at the bottom of the driveway, and you can do this and you can do that and blah, blah, blah. That's what he said. Don't listen to what he says. He's gonna say something, watch. That's what he said. You got something to say?
Yeah.
Holy smokes. Welcome to Breaking Free Off Grid, where we hope to inspire people to live off grid or become more self-sufficient. So, funny thing is, we have started the video for this
16,000 times.
This will be number 3 times. During last winter, we started putting the mill together. We got the base done, but had a hard time getting it level because the ground was still frozen. So we waited. Then last week, we started again, and we needed some bricks. I was going to look for some bricks, and Stuart put a piece of plywood on the forks of the tractor so we could put the bricks on the tractor so we didn't have to haul them by hand all the way back over here. Well, the tractor got stuck in mud because we still have way too much mud up here. And it was really bad. We really didn't think we were going to get it out, but we did, and our bad, we didn't record it. I don't know why, but we really need a slap on the hand for that, because I think you guys would have gotten a kick out of that, of us trying to get the tractor out. 3rd time's a charm, right? Let's see what we need to do.
So that should be the same, and that one down there should be the same. But I have a feeling that one's gonna go up high.
Yeah, it's got a little ways to go up.
Flat. 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 So what we did, I cut 3 of these blocks of hardy plank or whatever, and wrapped it over the top on this end and that end. And now, with this block touching that end and that end all the way down, we are flat all the way down. So now I think we can get rid of those and try and get some more level.
One thing I forgot to mention is, yes, we're setting up this mill in a temporary spot because we need to get going on milling some wood for the outbuildings that we need to build this year to make our life easier this winter. So that's why we're getting it set up now, and then once the spot down below on the lower portion is ready, then it'll be moved to its permanent home.
So that bunk is level.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay.
good?
That looks good. I wonder how that probably wouldn't help this side.
You might have thrown that side off.
Wow. You just have to adjust this side just a little bit.
Cool.
That freaking helped a lot.
Good. Because this is the center where everything here has been tightened together. So.
Yeah, you might have to go up a smidgen on this side. Yes.
So that needs to come up a smidgen too over there. Level. 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 Goose, you're so funny. Get out of my way. Level. And level. Whoop, whoop.
You better be nice or you're going to be turkey sandwiches, mister. That's right. Look at that breast. Yummy. Yummy turkey sandwich. Gabby, leave it. Why are we kind of stupid?
Because we have a forklift. So we can pick the forks up, right? Tilt them forward. Lean this up against it so it's kind of cockeyed.
Right.
And then just kind of lower them and tilt them back until it slides on top of the forks. Backwards, going down, tilting back.
You want me to hold it?
Not right yet, because if something happens, I don't want you squished.
That makes more sense then.
So it's sticking, it looks like.
Yeah, that's what it felt like.
Okay, pull back just a hair. Okay, so pick up and...
You gotta help me pick up. There we go. What's up, dude? Okay, go loosen up that side. I'll hold it.
Okay, that's loose.
Stick it on.
You're sticking. Okay, so you're gonna have to pick up on the back end.
Okay.
Go forward. There it is.
Hold the middle thing. Yeah.
All right.
I wonder how many parts we're gonna have left over when we're done.
Oh, fuck. Let's scoot that in. Oh, crap, I need one more on the top.
Still lined up?
Yep, we're good. Oh, wrong way.
Oh! I need the straight bar.
Yeah, you do.
It looks like on the picture, see if you can put your glasses on, see if that long hole is supposed to go on the top.
It kind of looks like it.
Give me a straight bar.
So the lifting hooks go here. That's why.
I saw that.
Which kind of BS.
Yeah, you can't lift it until after you pretty much got it together.
Yep. Nut job.
You're a nut job. I am perfectly sane.
Perfectly
I was released from the...
perfectly insane.
No.
Nut job.
Insane in the membrane.
Okay, that's it for this step.
What? We have extra screws and nuts.
Yeah, I know.
Or nuts and bolts.
I know. Okay, so can we tighten everything up yet? Finger tighten, finger tighten, finger tighten. Winch shaft assembly. Place the winch shaft flange bearing with flange facing out onto each of the winch shaft. It's in the crate still.
Ah, that's right.
We will need bag number 1.
Bag number 1.
Is that heavy?
That's pretty kind of heavy for...
Just sit it right over here.
Doesn't look like it'd be that heavy.
Put your flange on.
Is it on the right way?
Mine is on the right way.
So
Yep,
mine-
goes
mine's
that way. Yep.
Okay.
Where's the other lift hook?
I don't know what you did with it. Right here. You put it there, not me.
You're hiding it.
You're hiding it. You doing the washer on both sides? Or negative ghostwriter?
Yes, we should be doing a washer on both sides.
Yeah, it's a good thing I'm asking you questions.
Well, you didn't hand me a freaking washer on those ones.
I didn't hand you anything on those ones.
Oh, you
You
did?
did it all.
No, you handed me stuff.
Nope. I just started doing it.
You're a stuff hander.
You're a pain in my ass.
Yep. I dropped it.
You're a nut.
Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. Almond Joy's got nuts. Mounds don't.
What?
Sally says, walk around. Just so you know.
Okay. Go down. Good. Alright, so the problem that we're having right now is Stuart doesn't have a lot of room over where the tractor is right now to get it exactly where it needs to be so we can set this on the tracks. He's trying to come up with a way to give us a little bit of swing, so that'll give us a little bit of leeway so the tractor doesn't have to be exactly in the right spot, if that makes any sense. That was kind of scary. Not having enough room for the tractor to maneuver around. And yeah, it was hard getting the all four wheels on the track, but it's done. It's sitting on the track.
All right, so we got everything. I guess. We're praying to God we got everything. So the head is flat from side to side to the first bunk only. I'm just gonna, the first log we do, we're not gonna do anything really. We're just gonna cut it and, you know, I'll probably pull out a tape measure and see how good we are, but we're in the process of filling it up with oil. 35 ounces. And gas, hook up the battery, and then we're just going to start it up. and see what happens. And just start it up, run it for a few minutes, and we'll see how it goes. Hi, Mr. Goose. Give me a kiss. Thank you, buddy. Good job. Don't spill that. Okay, it's about half full. Dust everywhere. So let's hope this battery's still good. It's been bouncing around in the truck all winter.
In the cab.
Yeah, in the cab. All right, should we see if it'll start?
Let's do it. Wow.
Okay, it runs. Yeehaw. Sorry, no logs. This is not a milling video. This is a sawmill put together video. I'm just excited it's running and everything's flat and it's not level front to back, but that's okay. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut some logs to go underneath the feet, and we will level those, and I got some more rocked out at the bottom of the driveway. We'll bring that up and bed those logs in so they're nice and tight. So anyway, guys, woohoo, mucho excitement. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. Like, subscribe, comment. Go check out the goose tales on the community page for the blog of what happened this past week. All right, guys. Hasta la bye-bye. And we'll see you next time. Bam!